How to use Dify to build AI apps. So, of course, what you're gonna do is to set up your account. Very simple. You can log in, and once you've done all of that, you can go ahead and focus inside your studio. So, Dify is a visual platform for building your apps, specifically AI apps, and workflows using models, depending on which you'll choose. So, if you'd like, you can go ahead and press this, the create your app section. You could choose to create from a template or to import a DSL file or to start from scratch. Let's say you go for a template. You can go ahead and choose an app type. Let's say a file translation tool or even a chatflow basic chatbot. Let's say we go ahead and use this description. You could add a description for the app, but what you're going to do is to just press on create. You can open this project and you can also install plugins. So about to install the following plugins, go ahead and press on install. So here you will be able to see the existing nodes since we did choose the template option, but you can focus over here on its system. You can add a message and add a prompt. So you can add extra nodes if you need, but you can write your prompts here or instructions for what the app should do. But since this is already a template, there's already roles, tasks, guidelines, but again, you could add more if you'd like, but that will cost these thingies. So make sure you check those out as well. Now you could test the app inside Dify and then adjust the prompt until the answers are good, but once it is all done, the publish button is right here in the top right corner. You could run it, you can embed into a site or the other options. So publish the app as a web app or use its API to connect it to another website or system. But that's pretty much the general idea on how you can create AI apps using Dify. So hopefully this helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.